In case this is your first time taking a course on the Udemy platform, I just wanted to kind of go through some of the features and tools that Udemy provides. So the first thing is you need to download the course resources for the project. It isn't completely necessary, as the only thing that's going to be in there is just some starting points for some of the files in case maybe you messed up one of yours. So it'll have just a couple of files that you can open up on your end. And it also has some pictures in case you don't have any pictures that you want to use. If you do have pictures you want to use and you're fine with creating your own documents, because like I said, they're only backups, so we're going to be creating everything in there throughout the course. But if you're completely comfortable with that, you don't need to download the course resources if you don't want to. But if you want to follow along with the exact pictures and the exact sort of things we're doing, then the course resources are here for you to download. All you have to do is navigate to this page right here, which you can get to by going into My Courses, this button up here. It'll open up, there'll be this course listed. Then you'll just go to the course content, so it'll probably start an overview right here. You go to course content. Then you go down into lecture 2 right here, and all you have to do is click on this button once, and you'll see that it starts the download right here, or wherever it is on your browser. Just click on it and it'll start the download. Another thing that I kind of wanted to go over is if you go into one of these, you'll see that we have a couple of tools inside of the viewer here, and I know that I talk sort of fast, so understand that over here you can actually slow down the lectures. It's actually on the left side right here. You can actually slow down the lectures, so if I'm talking too fast, feel free to put me at 0.75 or 0.5, and that should slow me down enough to fit your speed. Also, if you think I'm talking too slow, you can speed me up and you can go through the courses quicker. Our brains are very, very fast and able to understand a lot of things. So a lot of people can actually probably listen at 1.5 and still be able to understand everything in the in its fullest. Now, it'll probably be a little harder to follow along on that, but it's there as well. So I just wanted to let you guys know that over here you have your speed controls. Over here you have your quality controls, and that is basically just a couple little buttons and features, but that'll hopefully make your learning experience better.